Hey guys, okay, here's another video for yeah, so I'm doing, like I said before, I already recorded one video. I'm doing all the videos with the wigs, and then I'll do all the wefted hair last. What I'll be doing with the wigs is changing the hairline on them. Well, it's not everyone really can do this. If you don't know not hair, you can't do this. But it's just give you an idea of maybe how to maybe put something to where it works for you, because of my hairline, I have a more receding, and the reason why I don't really show you me in wigs because it just looks crazy. But anyhow, so we're going to do another wig. So this wig that I just pulled out my box is the Outre lace front. It's LILIA. It's in a golden peach, which is like pink. It says pre-plug, lace parting, baby hairs. Girl, this is going to be terrible on me. And like I said, I got it in a golden peach. Wig Types is sold out of this color, so you have to go somewhere else. I will put a link of where I can find this with this color. That's in the stock card. Let's open her up. I didn't open them or nothing like that because I definitely, wanted to show me opening it on here. So this is the stock card. This is the color I got over here. So it says HD lace, transparent. In the back it shows you the care instructions. Like, this is the stock card for you to keep for your records of know what you got, and it shows you the color. Okay. Let's pull her out of here. I don't know why they do this. There's like this little thing. They keep doing this on these wigs, and I just feel like, I mean, you should cut it. Well, this one came out way easier. The other one from Harlem 125th. Okay, this one, something just fell out. Oh, it's, I guess, keep it fresh. It's in this net. Oh, I love this. Look how pretty this is. This is why I love this. I'm not changing the texture on this one. This one is going to stay. I just need to figure out how I'm going to do the hairline without having pink hair. I might have to steal some hair from the back and go from there. A couple wefts, hopefully. I'm cutting the stock card off. Yeah, what I'm going to do is just cut off from the weft. I'm not going to cut it all the way. I just need enough just so I can redo the hairline and go from there. But... oh, and there's combs in here. I did show in the last video of me cutting it. What is this? Why is this blue stuff? I don't know where that came from. So, I'm going to do the same thing in this one. So, there's like thread that's attached to it. Just be very careful what thread you're cutting. And then once you just get one little piece, you just follow it through. It just makes it easier so you don't feel like you're cutting something in like the wrong thing. I don't use combs in my wigs because I feel like they pull your hair, and I'm just not dealing with it, so I'm gonna cut them out. So anyways, I'll be right back. Okay, so the hooks on here are just a regular standard, just hook like that. These kind of hooks, they don't have like a little extra hook on here so they don't come off. I'm putting on this the furthest out because I do have a big ass head and I have hair. So those are lovely combinations. I do have a fear that this is not big head friendly, so we will see. Come on, why won't this hook get in? Sometimes with these little loop things, they don't want to open up, so I usually just stick a comb in it. And just, there we go. Alright, here it goes. Let's see how this is going to fit on my head. Okay, so this is actually a side part. It's on the right side. So I'm going to actually pull it like this. Ooh, child, these baby hairs are not... this is not... I think if your hair's braided right, you might be able to finagle it, but if you got a lot of hair... I have my hair just in 2 braids, and they're crossed in the back with the stocking cap. This wig is tight. Like, tight. Ooh, I think I could really cheat with this hairline, though. What? Yeah, this hairline is more this way. The other one I did was weird. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. Okay, let me see real quick. I want to see how far I can cheat. Yes, I don't have to do much if I want to cheat for this one. Because I just want to slide it just enough. It does have like these baby hairs. Yeah, no. Ooh, child. I don't know. This might not be big head friendly because since I have this lace that's on here, sometimes it's hard to judge with the big head friendly until you cut the lace, because the lace is like giving it extra something. This is actually a good amount of hair. Let me tilt this down. Okay, so let me put my fingers through it. I'm gonna use this comb. No, I don't have my other comb. Nope. I'm gonna just use this brush just to brush it through. Like, I know this is an Outre, and this is Outre. I don't know if I said Outre. This is not bad. It's not giving me, I think, okay, that was one little strand. Always start from the bottom. Okay, so let me, this is what this looks like down here. So yeah, I can see there's actually a good amount of hair. Okay, now let me tilt you back up. Okay. Ooh, too high. For, I guess, ear to ear, because I got a big head, this actually works. No, it don't. You see that? So I guess it doesn't go full ear to ear. But I'm actually loving this. This is pretty. Like, I'll give them that. Like I said, you have to make sure that your hair is flat when you do this, like a really good flat. Since I have my hair just in 2 braids that are tucked in the back, like 2 like pigtail braids. This is tight, and I have a fear that once I cut the lace, this might not fit right, and that's usually when you get to judge it. So, and I already feel like it's tight right now, so I can imagine after I cut the lace. So let me show you the back. What y'all think? So my braids are right here. So, they're right here. Let me split it down the middle. And I know the last video, I don't know if you can see the wefts. I feel like this one you might not. Okay. So, I actually like this one. I love the style with it. I like the texture. It gives you like this very, very, very light yaki feel, I guess. But this is beautiful. I love. It's like you can finger comb it. You should be fine. You know, synthetic hair always, you know, tangles around the nape. But yeah, this is pretty. Like, this one's pretty. Oh shit! I didn't take a picture in the last wig. Anyways, damn, I just remember that right now. Anyway, so this is her. So what you think? You tell me. Like I said, let me show you the part. The part is, I think, 4 inches. I think it's only like a 4-inch part. So that's it. I don't know what the part looks like because I didn't actually look at it. But like I said, this is not like this is just an unboxing, and I'm gonna try to make this look more like my hairline. And the funny part is, this is not bad. I don't know, I feel like this isn't. I don't know. This hairline is not the worst for me. I just feel like maybe I'll just do a little, and then like my temples is like right here. So let me pull it back some to show you. So I would have to literally fill all this in to make this work. But I feel like because it's more like a square, I can literally just cheat it to where it looks like that, and it actually doesn't look bad for me. Like I said, there's baby hair in here, and I'm not using baby hair. The hairline itself, I would say, like deepness, it's like it's half a centimeter. It's not much, because look, pull it down, there's weft. The parting, I don't know either. So we'll see how I can make this look like something I could put on and play with. But I'm actually happy I picked this wig. So, anyways, let me end this right now. I'm really actually pleased with this. I'm looking in the camera. Like, this is actually cute. I like this. I would actually wear this. But my hair is, I don't know. I would have to cut the lace and go from there. But overall, for unboxing, I'm actually very pleased with this one. Okay, Outre, you've come a long way. But anyways, alright guys, bye now.